Some of the challenges the volunteers are facing is just travel time, manpower, and distance. Emergencies never check to see if you're paid or volunteer. Emergencies don't know the zip codes. They happen wherever, whenever, and it's often a challenge to get broadband service in these areas. FirstNet's going to give us, for the first time, a mission-critical proprietary system that's designed, implemented, built out, and operated to meet the needs of public safety. Not sometimes, not when the weather's right, not when there's no major event going on, but when everything is going wrong. This system is designed to still operate, function, and meet an operational need for the responders on the scene. So this is going to be a significant improvement for our rural communities. This technology is going to be a force multiplier in a lot of ways. We won't have to wait until the first engine gets there. Dispatch can forward us things from the scene. We'll know what we're dealing with before we get there. We'll be able to inform others as to what they're going to be dealing with when they get there. The ability to track resources. You know, one of the things our partners in cities don't see a whole lot are large wildfires. An incident can go from a 5-acre manageable fire to a 100-acre grass fire and quickly spread. And being able to know who's where and not lose track of your resources will ensure safety of the responder and will in turn improve the ability of that department to protect its community. FirstNet's going to give us the tools to not only react quickly, but to also be able to respond and give information back to other responders as they come in, or to get information up the chain, or to get information down the chain. They'll be able to say, this is what I see, and this is what I know.